Dear students, welcome back. In the previous class, the last problem was 7th question from the first bit completed. Let's continue the class with the second bit first problem. That is, if A equals to 300,030,003, then find A to the power of 4. So to find out the A to the power of 4, A to the power of 4 means A into A into A into A. So A should multiply 4 times, then you will get the A to the power of 4. So but it will take lot of time to find out the A to the power of 4. So instead of that, what I am doing here, the given matrix can take the 3 common. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So now 3 into here 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is exactly identity matrix with the 3 by 3 order. So now find out the A to the power of 4. So that means 3 into I3 all to the power of 4. Now 3 to the power of 4 into I to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4, answer 81. I to the power of 4 nothing but it is I itself. So that means when you multiplying the identity matrix, again you will get the identity matrix. So I into I into I into I, it is equals to I itself. That is why I to the power of 4 answer is I. So now 81 into I means identity matrix. So now multiply 81 inside, 81 into 1, 81, 81 into 0, 0, so 81 into 0, 0, so 0, 81, 0, 0, 0, 81. So this is A to the power of 4 answer. Now coming to second question, A equals to 1 3 by 3 matrix given, then what is the A cube value? So here A cube value is not possible to find like A to the power of 4 in the previous question, because in the previous question A is written as a 3 into identity matrix, but here it is not possible. So that is why definitely A cube, to get the A cube, multiply A 3 times. There is no other way. So to get the A cube answer, first you find out the A into A answer. So here A matrix, here also A matrix. So first row multiply with the first column. So first row is 1 into 1 plus 1 into 5 plus 3 into minus 2. So first row with the first column answer 0, first row with the second column answer 0, first row with the third column answer 0. Now second row multiply with the first column. So here second row first column answer 3, second row second column answer 3, second row third column answer 9. Now third row multiply with the first column. So first row first column answer minus 1, first row second column answer minus 1, third row third column answer is minus 3. Let's find out our required answer, that is A cube. So here A cube can write as A square into A, and A square value just now we completed. Here is A square value. Now multiply this A square value with the matrix A. So it is equals to same first row multiply with the first column. So first row multiply with the second column, and first row multiply with the third column. So all are zeros, because here all values are zeros. Now second row multiply with the first column. So first row first column 0, second row second column also 0, second row third column also 0. Now third row multiply with the first column. So answer is 0. Next third row second column 0, third row third column 0. So finally it is equals to 0 matrix with order 3 by 3. Next third problem, very important question. Here matrix A given, then find A cube minus 3A square minus A minus 3I, where I is unit matrix of order 3. So what is the value of this? So to find this value, we need a cube value, a square value, and a value already given, and I value already mentioned, that is a unit matrix order 3. Let's find out the a square value, then after a cube value. So first a square, so a square equals to a into a. So here the a matrix is, so let's multiply here first row, first column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3. Next to first row, second column, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next to first row, third column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, 1 into 1 is 1. Now second row, first column, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next to second row, second column, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Now third column, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Now third row, first column, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3. Next to second column, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now third one, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So now it is equals to 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 4, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 5, and here 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 0 plus minus 3 is minus 3, 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, and 0 minus 1 is minus 2, 3 plus 0 plus 3 is 6. Next to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, sorry, minus 6 minus 1 minus 1, so it is minus 8. Okay, next to 3 plus 1 plus 1 is how much? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So now a cube answer, a cube equals to a square into a, so a square matrix. So now a square, here is a square matrix and here is a matrix. So first row, first column, 4 ones are 4, minus 3 into 0 is 0, 4 into 3 is 12. Next to same first row but multiply with the second column, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Next to third column, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5, 4 into 1 is 4. Now second row, first column, 3 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, 2 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Next to second column, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Next to third column, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Now third row, first column, 6 into 1 is 6 plus 0, 5 into 3 is 15. Second column, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, minus 8, minus 5. So here 6 plus 8 plus 5. So it is equals to 4 plus 0 plus 12 is 16, minus 8 minus 5 minus 4. So minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13, minus 13 minus 4 minus 17. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Next to minus 3 plus 0 plus minus 6 is minus 9. Next to 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. Next to 6 plus 0 plus 15 is 21. Next to minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 minus 25. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So next find out the 3a square. So 3 into a square matrix. So now multiply 3 with every element in inside. 3 4s are 12, 3 15 minus 15, 3 4s are 12, minus 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 6 3s are 18, minus 24, 15. So this is 3a square. Let's find out the 3i. So 3 into here I matrix is unit matrix with order 3. So now multiply 3 in inside. 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Now let's find out our required answer. A cube minus 3a square minus a plus 3i. So here 16 minus 12 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 17 minus 15 is minus 32, so sorry, plus 2, so minus 2, and here minus of minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 13 minus 12 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next to minus 9, minus of minus 9, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, here 0. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 7 minus of minus 6 is minus 1, minus 1 minus of minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 21 minus 18 is 3, 3 minus 3 0, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 25 minus of minus 24 is minus 1, minus 1 minus of minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 19 minus 15 is 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 3 0. So the final answer is 0 matrix with order 3. Next, fourth question in the second bit. Here I identity matrix E 0 1 0 0, then show that AI plus BE whole cube equals to A cube I plus 3A square BE, where I is unit matrix of order 2. So first find out the LHS, that is AI plus BE whole cube. So whole cube is not possible right now. That is why first I am finding the AI plus BE value. So here AI means A into I plus BE, B into matrix E. So A multiply inside A 0 0 A plus B multiply inside 0 B 0 0. So now let's do addition. A plus 0 is A, 0 plus B is B, 0 plus 0 0. Next A plus 0 is A. So the AI plus BE matrix answer is A B 0 A. So now the LHS is AI plus BE whole cube. So A B 0 A whole cube. So that means A B 0 A into A B 0 A into A B 0 A. First complete the product of first two matrices. A first row, first column, A into A square, B into 0 0. Next first row, second column, A into B is AB plus AB. Next here second row, first column, 0 into A is 0 and A into 0 0, so total 0. Next second row, second column, 0 into B 0 and A into A square. So the first two matrices product completed, A B 0 A. Now multiply these two matrices. First row, first column. So here first we have to simplify this. AB plus AB is 2AB. So here first row, first column, A square into A is A cube 2ab into 0 is 0. First row, second column, a square into b is a square b plus 2ab into a square is 2a square b. Next, second row, first column, 0 into a square into 0 is 0. Next, 0 into b is 0, a square into a is a cube. So now the final answer is a cube. A square b plus 2a square b is 3a square b, 0, a cube. So this is LHS answer. Next, RHS, a cube I plus 3a square b e. So here a cube, I means identity matrix, that is already given in the question, plus 3a square b into E matrix 0 1 0 0. Now a cube multiplying inside, a cube into 1 is a cube into 0 0 0 a cube. So plus 3a square b multiplying inside 0 3a square b 0 0. Now add two matrices. A cube plus 0 is a cube, 0 plus 3a square b is 3a square b, 0 plus 0 is 0, and a cube plus 0 is a cube. So it is RHS answer. If you are observing, both LHS and RHS both are same answers. So definitely ai plus be whole cube equals to a cube I plus 3a square be is proved.